Testing version 5.14. They were well except for the numbers on the previous button. Deleting speech bubbles crashes the app. That's not good for comics. 5.13 was better, so it failed the test.
I rule this app. Slow launching. Slow processing.
And crashes! The app crashes when you try to delete the speech bubbles. At least, the speech bubbles work well in English. And constant crashes after 10 frames. To know the way around it, you can watch my video for version 5.13. Thank you, subscribers. Thank you very much. The all well-known issues are still present on this version. They are not corrected yet. After exporting, you can't send directly to TikTok or YouTube Studio your video. This is not good. So, it failed the test. Let's take a look at Reels. While working on Reels, I made a funny video about this character Ice. It's available on TikTok. I hope you enjoy it. All these backgrounds are out of focus on this version. They are not really useful and they are more than in version 5.13. So Reels also failed the test. Submitting issues has been a problem for me since February, but nothing has been done. Unfortunately, now some users are suffering the same. I hope it gets corrected soon. This is the list of issues that we found in the previous version. Nothing has been improved and actually more problems appeared. Hopefully the issues will be fixed and we will have a better version in future. Thanks for watching.